Selma Blair is an American actress and model. She full name Selma Blair and nickname Blair. Net worth 14 million US dollar. Date of birth 23 June 1972. Current age 50 years old. Birthplace Michigan, United States. She currently lives in Southfield. Profession is an actress and model. Years active 1990 to present. Nationality is an American. Religion Christian. Hometown Southfield in Michigan. Her zodiac sign Cancer. Body measurement 33, 23 and 33 inches. Her qualification is graduate. Body type hourglass. Height 5 feet and 3 inches. And weight 52 kg. Waist 23 inches. Hair color brown. And eye color brown hazel. Her father name Elliot Batner. Her mother name Molly Ann Batner. Marital status married. Her husband name Ahmad Zappa. Her number of children 1. Her hobbies is puzzles. Favorite destination France. Favorite food Mughal Lai. Her favorite color lemon glacier. Her favorite sport golf. So guys, this was the video of the day, and what's your feeling about our videos? So tell me in the comment box. And if you want to watch more this type of videos or celebrities, facts and news, so don't forget to press the bell icon, and see you again in the next video, and take care, all the best.